$16,350 is what I've been able to generate with the E1U Life program. So this video specifically, I want to make for all of you who are in Easy1up, also known today as E1U. If you're part of this program and you're trying to promote it and you're not necessarily getting the types of results that you want, I'm going to show you, first of all, proof that I've been able to generate these results. And secondly, exactly what I use, the exact pages, the exact step-by-step system that I use to generate results with E1U Life. So let's get started. If we've never met before, by the way, my name is David Deacle. I've been doing affiliate marketing for several years now. And right now, since September 19th, there's a brand new promotion that I've started for the E1U Life program, and so far it generated me $16,350. Now, let me start by saying this. First of all, my results are not typical. I'm not in any way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to make the same. You're going to get the same results as me. You could make more than this. You could make less than this. Obviously, that's all depends on you and what you do with the information that I'm going to give you. So let's flip over the screen here and let me show you basically what's been happening. Now, if I go here and we're gonna go into the E1U dashboard and I'm gonna refresh this, you can see that so far I've generated with this brand new campaign $16,350. Now, the way that I promote is I don't just promote one program at a time. I've actually set up a marketing campaign that not only promotes E1U Life, which as you can see here generated 16,350, but it also promotes several other programs. In fact, there's 4 programs in total. So if I switch over here to my shopping cart, you can see that at the same exact time from September 19 until today, I've also generated in my shopping cart, let's just give it a second to load here, an additional $18,993. And one of these programs that's in these commissions is 100% commissions that I've basically been able to collect for myself, and the other one is software commissions. So altogether, if we do the math, let's just jump over here. I've already done the math here earlier. As you can see here, 16,350 and an additional 18,993 to a total of $35,343. And that is what the total of the campaign generated so far. So if you're interested to learn how to promote E1U Life, I can definitely show you how to do this part here. But if you're interested in also earning additional commissions, you definitely watch this video until the end because I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do this. So let's get started. Now, first thing I want to show you is this. First of all, it's not just something that's working for me. So take a look at this. This is actually a marketing campaign system that I use that I've let other people use it too, people who are also using E1U Life. And as you can see in this marketing campaign, I do the work and you are the one that actually gets to keep all the commissions. So as you know, E1U Life is 100% commissions. You get to keep all of it. So let's scroll down because you're probably thinking, David, that's great for you that you're able to generate these kinds of commissions, but are members able to generate this too? Members that are using your campaign. Well, take a look. Paulo 5 hours ago posted that he made $21,198 in 20 days by leveraging my automated marketing system. If you're interested in getting access to this, there's Paulo right there. And as you can see, he was able to do with this marketing campaign already $20,540 just with E1U. Let's keep going here. Arthur generated from one of the income streams inside of my marketing campaign an additional $150. 6 hours ago, Miles posted, as you can see right here, he's already on the top of the leaderboard, and he actually got more results than me with my own marketing campaign. There's me right here, and there's him. As you can see, he basically grabbed the #1 spot there, and he was basically able to generate commissions with this. So let's keep going here. Here's Simon, and as you can see, he says, look, I had a $500 sale that came in today. He previously had a $4,000 day, and he made a total of, so far, I believe, $12,500 ever since he started using my marketing campaign to promote E1U Life. There it is right here, actually, $12,500. So clearly, guys, this thing works. What I want to show you now is exactly how I do it. So if I close this and I'm going to open my browser, you can see right here, this is actually the very first page of the system that I use. And right here, this is where I actually collect the email address of people who are interested in more information about, how to leverage, how to get sales online, basically biz up seekers, people who are looking to make money online. They click here, then they enter their email, and then what happens then is I take them to a page where, let me actually explain this in real life for you. What I do is I take them to a page where they can watch a webinar presentation. I've prepared actually a webinar presentation that shows people exactly what the opportunity is with Easy1up. I show them what type of commissions they can make. I also talk about other income streams, why it's beneficial to earn on other income streams. And then what happens is when they're ready, those that are ready basically join. And those that are not ready, I have an email follow-up that actually starts sending them out day after day, sometimes multiple emails per day, depending on what's going on in the day. I've basically sent out multiple emails. And then what happens is I bring them back to watch the webinar, and those people who are interested obviously take me up on it. And that is essentially exactly how I've generated the 16,350 plus the other 18 grand, whatever else it was there. I don't remember the exact change, but the total of 35K just in the last, since September 19, whether it's about 20 days so far. So if you're interested in leveraging this exact campaign, not a similar campaign, not something that's different than what I'm using, the same exact campaign that I use that generated me 35K just in the last 20 days or so. If you're interested in leveraging that, all you need to do is click on the link that's just below this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, just below here, there's going to be a link for you in the video description, or look in the comments. The very first comment is going to have the link for you to go check out the system. What's really important is that you watch the webinar from beginning till the end. I explain exactly how this works, exactly how you can actually leverage my entire marketing funnel, my entire marketing system, my entire marketing campaign for your business. In fact, when I send out the emails, I include your affiliate links inside of them. So imagine you don't need to lift a finger to send a single email, and I'm doing all the follow-up on your behalf. There's 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1 is you need to click the link below and go into the system and basically watch the webinars, because I explain exactly how this works, exactly how you can take advantage of the 100% commissions, and exactly how to send traffic and everything else that you need to do. Step number 2 is getting set up. Obviously, if you're going to be leveraging my marketing campaign, when I'm sending out emails, I need to know what's your affiliate IDs, right, for the different programs, or at least the first program. So you want to make sure to copy and paste your affiliate IDs inside of my marketing campaign, my system. So this way, when I'm sending out the emails on your behalf to whatever visitors you sent into the system, they're going to be seeing your affiliate links. And if any one of them decides to join, then guess what? That commission goes to you. It's 100% commissions. And I'm not even charging you to use my system. I'm not even charging you to send out the emails on your behalf or anything like this. So that's the second thing that you need to do. Just get set up. I show you right on the webinar how to do this. It's actually really, really simple. It's literally just copying and pasting some things. Step number 3 is the traffic. And I like to use several traffic sources. One of the traffic sources I like to use personally is YouTube. Just like this video that you're watching right now, I like generating traffic from YouTube because it's very high quality traffic. And I realize that right now, you might be looking at this and saying, David, but what if I'm not comfortable getting on video? Does that mean that I can't generate traffic from YouTube? Or what about Facebook? What if you wanted to generate traffic on Facebook from videos and you don't have any videos to post because maybe you're camera shy? Well, here's how we're going to solve that. One of the bonuses that I give you if you follow my instructions and activate different income streams, or at least the first income stream to the highest level, is I actually give you access to my videos. You can, same video that you're watching right now, all the other videos that you see on my channel here, if you're watching this on YouTube, imagine if you could actually leverage my videos and keep 100% of whatever traffic comes in and 100% of whatever commissions come in. And these are the videos that have been making me sales. So I literally give you access to the videos so you can use them in your own marketing. Second thing is there's even additional bonuses. This is actually just a small piece of a much larger bonus package that I've prepared for you. including some done for you traffic already going to your link. And if you want to learn more about this, all you need to do is click the link below and go check out the webinar and make sure to get set up as quickly as possible. Now, this bonus package, by the way, is not going to be on forever. Depending on when you're watching this, you want to definitely click the link below right now, go check it out. And if it's still available, you'll see it when you get there. If the timer is still going or if it's already expired, then I'm sorry, maybe you're too late for this promotion. But if you're click the link below now and you get there and the timer is still available and the promotion is still open, then you can claim this bonus basically by leveraging my videos in your own marketing. Now, in addition to that, I also like to generate free traffic from other social media places like Facebook. Facebook has been generating me sales, and I would like you to be able to use it as well if you're interested in using free traffic. If you're not interested in using free traffic, or for whatever reason you don't want to put stuff on your timeline, or you don't want to create a YouTube channel, that's fine too. There is other ways of getting traffic to the system, and there's a traffic method that I've been using for years, email ads, and I actually show you how to do that too. Again, everything is explained in the link in the description. Now, also, depending on when you're watching this, it's really important that you subscribe to the channel, simply because normally on Mondays, not every Monday, but sometimes it's a different day, but usually I do live streams and I want to invite you to the next one. In fact, right now, if you're watching this the moment I release this video, there's a giveaway happening where if you subscribe to my channel, you could win. You basically enter for a chance to win a 3-night hotel stay in a luxurious Miami hotel for 3 nights. Now, flights and taxes are not included because I don't know where you're flying in from, and taxes are not included, so you got to pay that. But basically, I'm giving away 4 different hotel stays in Miami, and it's costing me a fortune, but I know that you guys are worth it. You're so worth it, and I want loyal subscribers like you. So make sure to subscribe. And the main reason I'm doing this is because I want to invite you to the live stream, because there's really nothing worse than you being excited about getting started in something, and then you have a question or something and you don't know where to go. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to the live stream, so this way I can answer all of your questions. Here's Karina. And this way you basically are off and running straight from day one. So if you're going to leverage my campaign, click the link below. Before you do that, just make sure to subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click the link in the description. If you're watching this on Facebook, there's not going to be a place for you to click, but what I want you to do is in the comment section of this, where you see this video, just type in the word info and message me directly. Like, just click on my face and click message. And I know that, okay, this person is interested in info, because I get a lot of different messages. But if I see that you commented info on the post, then what I can do is I know that to expect a message from you in my messenger inbox. And this way we can connect, and I can help you get, with whatever questions you got. And I can also help you get started. So again, 35K just since September 19. It's been about 20 days so far. I'm super, super excited, because it's not just me being able to generate results. I've had one member who's done over $6,000 just yesterday. I have another member who's done $20,000 in 18 days. Now, again, these results are not typical. I'm not guaranteeing or suggesting in any way that you're going to do these kind of numbers. This is just to show you what is possible. And as you can see, there's a lot that is possible with this marketing campaign. So go ahead, click the link below, and I'll see you guys inside of the system. Make sure to watch the webinar. This could be the one webinar you watch, the one educational piece that you watch that would literally change exactly where you're going in life financially. It certainly has been the case for me and for many, many other people. So take this seriously. If you're serious about generating results online, I'm very serious about helping you. So if you're watching this on Facebook, comment down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click the link in the description. And also, are we friends on Facebook? I don't know. I'm going to leave a link to my Facebook just in the video description here. Click on it and make sure to click follow, so this way I can invite you to connect on Facebook as well and help you get started and help you with any questions you've got. All right. So that's it for this video. Make sure to enter the giveaway as well. I'm going to leave that in the video description. Enter your details. Make sure to be subscribed to the channel. And I really hope to see you maybe being the winner of the 3-night hotel stay in Miami that I'm going to be giving away tomorrow on Monday night. And again, you need to be on the live stream, because if I say your name and you're not there, I'm going to be giving it to the next person that is on the live stream. So make sure to do that. Okay. You have a really good chance to win. Just make sure to enter your details in the live stream, your details in the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, and you can actually increase your chances to win by putting in more entries. All the details are in the description. Click that and I'll see you guys inside. And really, nothing would make me happier than to see you, a person that I've never met in my life, post in the members group that you've gotten a big commission or I've helped you generate a commission. All the people that you've seen inside the group, these are not people I know personally. I've never met Miles personally. I've never met Paulo personally. We've never met in person. I've never met pretty much anybody that you've seen there, Arthur and everyone else. But that doesn't matter, because sometime in the past, they've maybe watched a video just like this and they decided, so David does the work and I get to keep all the commissions. That sounds good. All I need to do is send traffic, which I show you how. So make sure to click the link below, go check it out, and I'll see you on the live stream very soon, hopefully to award you the 3 nights in Miami. And also, hopefully I'll see your name in the testimonials group posting about the commission that you've made. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.